Hello. Good morning, guys, and happy Vlogmas day 10. Wow, I cannot believe we are already on day 10. It is so crazy, and this has been so much fun. It has been more fun than I even expected. I thought it would be more stressful, but I have been loving every minute of it. I have been loving coming up with new things to do every day and keeping myself really busy. It has been a blast. And I just got done with the gnarliest leg workout. I actually started to go up the stairs just a minute ago and both of my knees just buckled and I just face planted on the stairs on my way up. I know I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. But the reason I went to the gym and went extra hard is because today I am baking cookies with my dad. A lot of cookies. So my dad is one of 6 kids and all of my dad's siblings have at least 2 kids. So I have a bunch of cousins, and rather than buying random toys and a bunch of gifts, we bake them cookies every year. And it's so cute, and it's a tradition he's done for a while now, and I wanted to help him this year. So we're gonna bake a ton of cookies, and I know myself and I'm gonna be sneaking some dough, so I'm glad I got that crazy leg workout in. I'm gonna clean up and change, and then I'm gonna head downstairs and help him start baking. Forgot a few things.
Cookies, a lot. Peanut butter squares, spumoni cookies, sugar cookies, shortbread. This is Betty Crocker's Total Cookie Book.
We've had that book since I was like, I don't know, a baby.
Yeah. I had this when I was a baby.
Did you?
Well, my mom did. How many cookies does this make? Check.
3/4 of a pound of butter?
Yeah.
What's 3/4 of a pound?
Well, it says right on the stick. A spoon is a 1/4 pound or half.
So 3.
3 sticks of that.
Okay. Casual, almost a pound of butter.
Yeah.
That's cookies.
Right. Butter is your friend.
Butter is our friend. That's like 3/4 of a pound.
Okay, add the vanilla. Medium
Okay.
bowl, sift together the flour and the salt. It's very important to sift your flour. Very important. Not that important. It's pretty important. Speaking of old.
Oh my gosh, the flour sifter.
What kind of flour?
All-purpose flour.
What kind of flour? Sifted.
Sifted flour. Yeah, you guys see our sifter? The thing has rust on it. Was that Grandma Ann's? You don't even know where it came from.
Some people sift their flour twice.
Do you?
No, not this one.
Anyways, battery died. I was saying we make these for all my cousins. We just send them all to Chicago and Portland and
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
You're gonna chill this.
Okay.
You're gonna mix it and chill it.
They already know though that this is my favorite spatula. I've talked about that before.
Is that right?
I said I read a meme that you know you're an adult when you have a favorite spatula. And I said, oh, well, I have a favorite spatula. I must be an adult.
I don't know anything about that.
Do you have a favorite spatula?
Comment below if you have a favorite
Yeah.
spatula.
Yeah, tell me about your favorite weird utensil. Mine's my red-handled spatula.
Oh, this is your favorite.
Yeah, it's my favorite one.
Always appropriate to wear a black shirt.
Yes.
When you bake with flour.
I was just telling them yesterday that I need to branch out because all I ever wear are black t-shirts. But I didn't want to wear one of my new vintage shirts when I was going to be baking, so I wore one of my old black t-shirts.
Old vintage shirts.
Yeah, it just keeps breaking.
It's okay.
So we pulled out the dough we just put in the fridge because it's been about 30 minutes.
Put this one back in.
Okay, this is the problem child.
Yeah. Glorious content.
It'll all be like sped up. You guys notice how my shirt has progressively gotten more and more covered in flour? It's a look.
Christmas cookie look.
Christmas cookie look, exactly.
Once you get going, you can't stop.
Taking a quick cookie break to make some dinner. Salmon. Yum. On the barbecue too, it's so good. Okay, we've made 2 batches of the shortbread cookies and now we're going on to the sugar cookies, which are the ones that go into the cool press. And then we'll do the peanut butter cups and then maybe one more after that, but we'll see if there's time. Right now my back is killing me, so. And we're all covered in flour, but we'll see how we feel after we eat some salmon.
Bye.
Yum. Thank you. Okay, we're back. Some technical difficulties. Somehow all of my memory cards are full and I haven't taken anything off since I started doing Vlogmas. That's probably why.
Yeah.
But next up we're gonna do some really cool cookies, and these are made with another very old device. This was my grandma's on my mom's side, and she was Jewish. My mom was raised Jewish, but this makes Christmas tree cookies, and my grandma would help my mom make these cookies every year and then give them to my mom to take to her teachers at school, where she was pretty much the only Jewish kid at school. I think that's why they gave them Christmas cookies. But either way, it's a really cool press. You put the dough in and then you crank it down and it pops out a little tree. So we're gonna make those next. And they're basically just sugar cookies that are dyed green, but it's the process of making them that's cool. Butter of shortening. What is shortening?
Don't ask.
Comment below if you know what shortening is. Gotta sift the flour, guys.
Don't forget to sift the flour. And get yourself a good flour sifter.
Yeah, I mean, they don't make them like this
Circa
anymore.
1960. Or you could put food on it though.
Okay, so we're gonna try doing the presses, and it works literally like a Play-Doh press. I put the dude in.
The dude in.
The dude is in. See the Christmas tree? Done this before, but never by myself. Thing on top. It's like big fat turn. There we go. Aren't they so cute? Okay, so like that one's perfect. That one's really good. That was my first one. I definitely spun that a little too hard. Okay, last step of these kind of cookies. Dad's gonna put powdered sugar in them in a bag and totally coat them.
Shake and bake.
Look at that. They look great. What do you think?
More sugar.
More sugar? Thank you. I just got sugar all over myself. This is so good. Look at all the cookies. And I still have to clean up this whole mess. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it. I hope you enjoyed watching my dad and I bake all of the cookies. There are so many, and the last batch is in the oven right now. This has been so much fun. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.